Hello, welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to be taking you through how to choose who can see your phone number on Facebook. So all you just have to do for me now is to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you are done with that, you can just click on your Facebook like tab, click on this particular icon. So you scroll down, then you click on privacy shortcut. Once you click on privacy shortcut, you click on see more privacy settings. Then you can go to where who can look up to your phone number, who can look up to you through your phone number. So you can click on that. So once you click on that, then you can select the particular person. Maybe it's only you want, or you want the whole public, or you want everyone, whichever one you want. So you can select it there, then you can just go back and it's done already. You click on anyone, then it's done already. So that's it on how to choose who can see your Facebook number. I mean the number you provided on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe, like the video and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.